a marketeer's job
Yeah,
is beyond the four P's as
yeah,
well,
yeah,
and a lot more about psychology.
yeah.
So, what is your take? Like, should a marketeer be good in psychology? They should also study psychology, which will then expand their arsenal to deal with consumers in a better way.
That's a great question. I think not only marketers, every human should have a fundamental understanding of how psychology works. At the end of the day, what are we trying to do? Right? Human to human communication or human to human interaction is all psychology.
Yeah.
If you're trying to ask somebody out on a date, you need principles of influence and persuasion.
Yeah.
So, aapko Cialdini, you should have read.
Hmm.
That would help if you're asking somebody out for a date. If you're negotiating salary, you need to understand how social proof, authority, scarcity, how do all of those
Yeah.
things kind of
Various
happen,
things
right?
at play.
So everything every day, right? Or if you're trying to convince your kids to go to bed early, no matter where in life you are, अगर आपको psychology की थोड़ी सी समझ है, तो life will become a lot easier, is what I fundamentally think. But do I think the right way to do it is to do a psychology degree or buy a course or buy big textbooks? 100% not. Bullshit.
Okay.
बिल्कुल नहीं करना वो,
Huh.
right? I just feel sometimes we know 80% of the things, but कुछ कुछ चीजें if somebody just puts it together either through a YouTube
Correct.
video
Or a framework.
or a framework or a podcast or a
Huh.
book, right? It just makes sense कि हाँ यार ये मेरे को पता है, but now somebody's structured it for me. That is very important. So I think every human being needs to be a learner of psychology.
Yeah.
Marketers especially so. At the end of the day, like I said, हम कर क्या रहे हैं? We are creating a stimulus which creates some behavior change in somebody's mind. But to be able to understand what to do, you need to understand learning. कि
Yeah.
how what has this person learned through their life which makes them feel कि ये वाला detergent better है नहीं तो ये वाला कि
Correct.
झाग नहीं बनेगा तो detergent खराब है. That is learning which has happened through 25 years of seeing somebody in their house do that. If you don't understand motivation, you won't understand यार कि किसी को अगर मैं बोलूँगा one dress is left, तो
Correct.
उसका फोमो कैसे
हाँ.
मेरे को करना है.
Correct.
If you don't understand things like decision making, you won't understand कि supermarket की shelf के ऊपर if I put in 20 types of Maggi
हाँ.
And there's a Korean Maggi and there's a whatever फलाना Maggi, then
Peri peri Maggi.
पेरी पेरी पता नहीं क्या क्या चल रहा है यार आजकल तो
हाँ.
everything Korean is
हाँ.
fucking selling. So then you don't know कि choice overload is bad. They will still say यार ये सब मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा, मेरे को
हाँ.
तो वही अच्छी लगती है
हाँ.
मेरी मसाला मैगी.
हाँ.
And they will and Maggi will continue being the market leader. Why is that happening? Is because till you don't understand कि it is human beings making decisions
Hmm.
with some circuitry which is going on in their brains. वही है. It's not the creative, it's not the ads, it's not what you and me
हाँ.
do. चल वही रहा. You need to understand choice overload. You need to understand like very visceral things कि AI से लोग डर रहे हैं. So how do I make sure that happens? So whether it's learning, attention, decision making, pricing, why should I say that my book is 349 instead of 350?
Yeah.
Why has Bata been doing it for 30 years?
Correct.
So as a marketer अगर आपको ये चीजें समझ आ रही हैं,
हाँ.
तो you have a superpower.
Hmm.
Right, other than what is taught in B school. Unfortunately this is not taught in B school there.
Correct.
ये पता ना चाहिए ना कि यार choice overload is a big thing.
Correct.
And somebody who's scrolling through 100 pieces of content in 40 minutes on Instagram reels has choice overload because उस 100 में से 20 ads थी
Correct.
जिसमें से एक आप हो. आपने आइसोलेशन में आपका क्रिएटिव देखा है बट आप ये नहीं सोचे उसके दिमाग में क्या हो रहा है.
Exactly.
That person is trying to get away from something. What do they already have in their head? How do they file information in their head? How do they process information? When are they too exhausted to see an ad? This is psychology.